eager learners? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of numbers. We will be learning to count 1 through 10. Teacher Layla will be helping us learn to count 1 through 10. So, let's jump right in and start counting our way to mathematical mastery. Let's begin.
Hi kids! It's time to learn and count numbers! Woohoo! Are you ready to learn with me? Great! Let's learn numbers! First, I am going to teach you how to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Super cool! Let's count again, but this time we will count backwards. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 Woohoo! Great job! 1 Orange. 1 2 balls. 1 2 3 butterflies. 1 2 3 4 flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 vehicles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 bananas. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cats. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bears. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 apples. Woohoo! Goodbye. Have a great day.
1 tiger. 2 giraffes. 3 deers. 4 bears. 5 elephants. 6 pandas. 7 gorillas. 8. 8 monkeys. 9. 9 crocodiles. 10. 10 lions.
As we wrap up our numerical adventure, I hope you had as much fun learning as we did teaching. Remember, numbers are all around us, and with practice, you'll master them in no time. Whether you're counting toys, sharing snacks, or just exploring the world, these numbers will be your trusty companion. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe